Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about local mask, local mint, and shadow boy. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to do first the derivative of z with respect to x and first the derivative of z with respect to y. So this one, that is about 3x squared. After we do first the derivative of x to the power of 3. This one we don't have x, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. So we have negative number 9. So this one you got number 0 in here. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. This one we have 2y. This one that is about number 1. And later that we put this one and this one equals to number 0. So that means this one and this one equals to number 0. So we calculate this one and we got about s equals to number 1 and s equals to negative number 1. So about this one, we have y equals to negative number 2. And now we have two solutions. So the next one, we need to analyze which one that should be about local mass, local mean, shadow point. So we need to go second derivative. So we need to do first the derivative of zx with respect to x. That is about this one. So this one that is about 2x. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one we have number 1. So we have number 2. This one we need to do first the derivative of zx with respect to y. And you got number 0. So we have d equals to, that is about z s s z y y minus z s y to the power of 2. So I will put 18s go in here. And z y y we have number 2 minus number 0. So for the first one, we have number 1. So we put number 1 go in here. So you got about d equals to 36. 36 is greater than number 0 in here. So later that we put number 1 go in here. And you got about 18 is about greater than number 0. So this is about local mean for the point number 1, negative number 2. And now we put negative number 1 go in here. So we have d equals to negative 36 is smaller than number 0. So that means this is about shadow point. This is the end. Thank you for watching.